Think you need thousands to start investing? Think again! I used to think the same thing too. Like, how could I possibly get started in real estate with only a couple $100 to my name? Truth is, you absolutely don't need a ton of money to start investing and building wealth. In this video, we'll show you how to begin your investment journey with just $100. We'll cover the basics, break down the best investment options, and give you a step-by-step guide to get started today. Let's do this. Before we dive into the how-to, let's make sure we're all on the same page with the basics. What exactly are we investing in when we're talking about putting that $100 to work? Stocks are tiny slices of ownership in companies. Buy a share, own a piece. ETFs are baskets of stocks or bonds, great for diversification. Index funds track market indexes like the S&P 500, offering broad exposure. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies with high volatility and potential returns. Got $100, where do you put it? Fractional shares let you buy a piece of a company. Love Tesla? Buy a fraction for around $100? ETFs like VEO and SPY track the S&P 500? It's like owning a slice of the stock market. For passive income, try high-yield savings or REITs. Chapter 3. Step-by-step guide. Ready to make your first investment? It's easier than you think. First, you'll need to choose a brokerage account. Think of it like a bank for your investments. Popular options include Robinhood, Fidelity, and Webull, all of which are beginner-friendly and offer commission-free trading. Once you've chosen a brokerage, you'll need to open an account. This usually involves providing some personal information and linking your bank account. Don't sweat it, it's a pretty straightforward process. With your account set up, it's time to make your first trade. This is where you'll use your $100 to buy your chosen investment. Most brokerages have easy-to-use platforms that make buying and selling a breeze. Finally, remember the importance of diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Chapter 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Even with the best intentions, it's easy to make mistakes when you're first starting out. One of the biggest pitfalls is emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed dictate your decisions. Panic selling when the market dips or FOMOing into the latest hot stock can seriously hurt your returns. Another mistake, investing without doing your research. Don't just buy something because you heard it was a good idea. Take the time to understand what you're investing in and why. Finally, don't expect overnight success. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and consistency to build wealth. Chapter 5. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it. You don't need a fortune to start investing. With just $100 and the right knowledge, you can begin your journey to financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more investing tips. Outro: start investing today. Seriously guys, if I can stress one thing, it's this. The best time to start investing was yesterday, the second best time is right now. Don't get caught up in thinking you need thousands of dollars or that it's too complicated. It's not. And with platforms like the ones we talked about today, getting started is easier than ever. Remember, even if you start with just a small amount, consistency is key. Make investing a habit, even if it's just a few bucks here and there. You got this.